I want to tell you a story about a time when it really did happen, 50 years ago, when the world looked a lot different than it does today. It started right here, in a real supermarket in the real world. On March 31st, 1971, 50 years ago now, this group of leaders met up in New York City, and they agreed on 3 things. First, they agreed to collaborate on a way to tell this can of soup apart from this other can of soup. They called it a Global Trade Item Number, or GTIN for short. It's kind of like an ID card number for things. Second, they agreed to think big. They knew the creation of this number was just the beginning. Eventually, they imagined it could be used outside the grocery store checkout counter, from warehouses to boardrooms and everywhere in between. Lastly, they agreed to innovate. Today, we expect so much more information about the things we buy. We need to be able to identify a product not just among other options on the shelf, but among every other product in the world, from a store you can carry in the palm of your hand. We need to know if a product, like this can of soup, is authentic, whether it's been recalled or expired, and where the ingredients came from. Can I order it with voice command? Can you deliver it to me in 2 hours? That would be nice too. But this isn't just about grocery shopping. Today, information about a product can literally mean the difference between life and death. Healthcare professionals are facing a constant challenge to deliver the highest level of care possible to as many patients as possible by getting them the right medicines, medical devices, and of course, vaccines safely. Meeting those challenges has required the healthcare industry to make big changes, often driven by regulation, while addressing the need for global interoperability. So, they embraced an advanced barcode called the GS1 Data Matrix for medicinal products. This new barcode contains more than just the GTIN number. It helps ensure patients are getting a safe, unexpired product and links that information to patient records automatically. The time has come to once again collaborate, think big, and innovate. Getting this right is the challenge of a generation. The next 50 years begins today.